A third round starts with a chain stitch, then 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch from one sequence. Repeat crocheting this sequence 8 times. End with a slip stitch. One chain stitch. Yarn over the crochet hook. Then pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. 1 chain stitch is completed. The chain stitch forms a V shape. We can tighten this chain stitch. Here, the chain stitch serves as the standing stitch for the single crochet. It functions as a height increase. It is not included in the stitch count. Next is the first sequence. First, crochet 1 single crochet. Remove the stitch marker. Attach it to the single crochet just crocheted. The first stitch of the third round is completed. Next is an increase stitch. The increase stitch is crocheted at the next insertion point. First, crochet a single crochet. Then crochet another single crochet into the same insertion point. This is how it looks after completing 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch as a sequence. From the top, one sequence forms 3 V shapes. There are 8 sequences in total in this round. The single crochet in this round will form 24 V shapes. The second sequence. Crochet 1 single crochet into the next insertion point. Then make an increase stitch. First crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then crochet another single crochet into the same insertion point. The third sequence, work 1 single crochet first. Next, 1 increase stitch. The fourth sequence, work 1 single crochet first. Next, 1 increase stitch. The fifth sequence, work 1 single crochet first. Next, 1 increase stitch. The sixth sequence, work 1 single crochet first. Next, 1 increase stitch. Make 1 single crochet for the seventh sequence. Next, 1 increase stitch. Make 1 single crochet for the eighth sequence. Next, 1 increase stitch. Eight sequences are done. Let's count the stitches. The first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, the 17th, the 18th, the 19th, the 20th, the 21st, the 22nd, the 23rd, the 24th. After confirming the stitch count is correct, place the crochet hook back into the loop. Use the tension of your index finger to pull the loop just enough for the crochet hook to move freely. Finally, make one slip stitch. Join the first stitch and the last stitch together. We can first remove the stitch marker before continuing to crochet. Insert the crochet hook through the marked stitch yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Pull the left loop through the right loop on hook. A slip stitch is completed. The slip stitch here is similar to the previous single crochet V shape. To prevent mistaking it for a single crochet, hold the loop on the crochet hook and tighten the slip stitch. The slip stitch here serves as a connector. It is not counted in the stitch count. The 3rd round is completed. The 4th round starts with 1 chain stitch, then 3 single crochet and 1 increased stitch form 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Finally, 1 slip stitch. Start with 1 chain stitch. Next is the first sequence. 3 single crochet. Insert the hook into the first stitch, where we just made the slip stitch to work 1 single crochet. This is the first stitch of the 4th round. Attach the stitch marker here. The 2nd single crochet. The 3rd single crochet. Three single crochet are done. Next, 1 increase stitch. First, crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Then crochet another single crochet in the same stitch. The increased stitch is done. The first sequence is completed. This is how it looks after crocheting 3 single crochet and 1 increased stitch as 1 sequence. From the top view, 1 sequence forms 5 V shapes. In this round, you need to crochet a total of 6 sequences. Finally, there will be 30 V shapes. The second sequence starts with 3 single crochet. The first one. The second one. The third one. One increased stitch. The third sequence starts with 3 single crochet. The first one. The second one. The third one. One increased stitch. Three sequences are completed. The remaining 3 sequences are crocheted the same way as the first 3 sequences. Everyone can refer to the crochet methods used in the first 3 sequences. Complete the remaining 3 sequences by yourself. 6 sequences are completed. Let's count the stitches. Remove the crochet hook. Start counting from where the stitch marker is attached. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. The 10th one. The 11th one. The 12th one. the 13th one, the 14th one, the 15th one, the 16th one, the 17th one, the 18th one, the 19th one, the 20th one, the 21st, the 22nd, the 23rd, the 24th, the 25th, the 26th, the 27th, the 28th, the 29th, the 30th, the 31st. 6 sequences are completed. There should be 30 V-shapes. But we counted 31. This means that an extra stitch was crocheted. Let's find where the mistake occurred. First, let's see how to count stitches from the front side of the fabric. A single crochet stitch also forms a V-shape when viewed from the front side. The V-shapes in the same insertion point represent an increased stitch. The first sequence. 3 V-shapes. 1 increased stitch. The first sequence is correct. The second sequence has 3 single crochet. 1 increased stitch. No problem with the second sequence. 3 single crochet in the third sequence. 1 increased stitch. No problem with the third sequence. 3 single crochet in the fourth sequence. 1 increased stitch. No problem with the fourth sequence. 3 single crochet and 1 increased stitch in the fifth sequence. No problem with the fifth sequence. Sixth sequence. Here is a single crochet. This should be a single crochet, but it was mistakenly crocheted as an increased stitch, causing 1 extra stitch in this round. We directly pull the working yarn. Undo the single crochet up to the stitch that was crocheted incorrectly. Undo up to this increased stitch. We remove 1 stitch. Leave 1 single crochet. Put the yarn back on your hand. First pass it between your pinky and ring finger. Pass it between your middle finger and index finger, then hang the yarn over your index finger. Hold the fabric using your middle finger and thumb. Place the crochet hook back into the loop. Here is the first single crochet of the 6th sequence. Second single crochet, third single crochet. 1 increased stitch. The 6th sequence is completed. If you find correcting each sequence one by one troublesome, you can undo this round back to the first stitch where the stitch marker is attached. Then crochet the stitches in round 4 again. Next, crochet a slip stitch. Join the first and last stitches. Round 4 is now completed. Let's identify the front and back sides of the fabric. This side is smoother. There are the raised concentric circles. This is the front side of the fabric. This side is uneven with short horizontal lines. And there is the yarn tail from the magic ring. This is the back side of the fabric. During crocheting, keep the front side facing you. On the front side, these raised concentric circles mark each round. Here is round 1. Then, move upward. Round 2, round 3. Round 4. Rounds 5 and 6 are the same. Start with a chain stitch. Then crochet 30 single crochet without increases or decreases. Finish with a slip stitch. Begin with 1 chain stitch. Next, crochet 30 single crochet without increases or decreases. No increases or decreases means crocheting exactly 1 single crochet in each stitch. The first single crochet. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch of the 5th round. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The 5th one. The 6th one. The 7th one. The 8th one. The 9th one. The 10th one. Crochet single crochet like this until you complete this round. 30 single crochet are completed. Count the stitches to confirm the stitch count is correct. Crochet a slip stitch to join the first and last stitches. You can remove the stitch marker before continuing to crochet. This is how it looks after completing round 5. The methods for round 6 are the same as round 5. Please finish round 6 on your own. Be careful not to forget to attach the stitch marker and check the stitch count. This is how it looks after completing round 6. Round 7 starts with 1 chain stitch, then to single crochet. 1 increased stitch followed by the single crochet from 1 sequence. Crochet this sequence 6 times, then finish with 1 slip stitch. Begin with 1 chain stitch. Then first work to single crochet for the first sequence. The first one. Attach the stitch marker to the first stitch. The second one. To single crochet are done. Next, 1 increased stitch. Start by crocheting 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then crochet another single crochet in the same stitch. An increased stitch is completed. Next is single crochet. The first one. The second one. Two single crochet, 1 increased stitch and 2 single crochet are completed as 1 sequence. From the top view, 1 sequence forms 6 V-shapes. This round will have a total of 36 V-shapes. The second sequence starts with 2 single crochet. The first one. The second one. One increased stitch. To single crochet. Two sequences are completed. The remaining 4 sequences are crocheted the same way as the first 2 sequences. Please crochet them on your own. 6 sequences are completed. Please check your stitch count. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 7 is completed. The next rounds 8 to 12 are the same. Each round begins with 1 chain stitch. Then, work 36 single crochet without increases or decreases, and with 1 slip stitch. I will demonstrate how to crochet round 8. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then, work 36 single crochet without increases or decreases. The first one. Attach the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. Everyone, continue crocheting single crochet like this until you complete this round. 36 single crochet without increases or decreases are completed. Check that the stitch count is correct. Then finish with 1 slip stitch. Round 8 is completed. Rounds 9 to 12 are crocheted the same way as round 8. Everyone can complete them on their own. This is how it looks after finishing round 12. Next, attach the eyes to the fabric. Pull the loop large and remove the crochet hook. Use the side with the slip stitches as the back of the fabric. Then attach the eyes on the front side of the head. The eyes are placed between round 8 and round 9. First, find the center between round 8 and round 9. This is the first round. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Sixth round. Seventh round. Eighth round. Ninth round. The indented spots are between these 2 rounds. Attach one eye first. Then attach the other eye 5 stitches apart. The single crochet also forms a V shape when viewed from the front side. Here is the first stitch. Second stitch. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. Attach the other eye next to this stitch. Turn the fabric inside out. Take out the safety back pieces. Attach the safety back pieces. The eyes are now attached. If the doll is for children to play with, you can sew the eyes using the yarn from the material kit, even though safety eyes are used. They are not completely safe. Next, continue crocheting. Hold the yarn back onto your hand. Hold the fabric with middle finger and thumb. Then insert the crochet hook back into the loop. Crochet round 13. Round 13 starts with a chain stitch. Then to single crochet in 1 decrease stitch, make up 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 9 times. Finish with a slip stitch. Begin with 1 chain stitch. The first sequence starts with 2 single crochet. The first single crochet Attach the stitch marker. The second single crochet. The single crochet are done. Next is a decrease stitch. To crochet a decrease stitch, work into the front loops of the next stitches. We can see a V shape at the top of a stitch. This V shape is made up of 2 strands. The front loop is the one closest to us. The back loop is the one farthest from us. We use a sewing needle to pick up these 2 front loops. This makes it easier for us to insert the hook and crochet. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of the next stitch. Then insert hook through the front loop of the following stitch. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. 2 loops remain on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 decrease stitch is completed. This is what it looks like after crocheting a sequence of 2 single crochet followed by 1 decrease stitch. Viewed from the top, a sequence forms 3 V shapes. Complete the remaining 8 sequences using the same method. This horizontal strand that is pulled up is where a decrease stitch was just made. The next hook insertion point is in this complete V shape on the left side of this horizontal strand. To single crochet for the second sequence. The first one. The second one. Then make 1 decrease stitch. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of the next stitch. Then insert hook through the front loop of the following stitch. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. The loops remain on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. To single crochet for the third sequence. Crochet through the complete V shape next to this horizontal strand. The first single crochet. The second one. Make 1 decrease stitch. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of the next stitch. Then insert hook through the front loop of the following stitch. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. 2 loops remain on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. In the fourth sequence, first work to single crochet. The first one. The second one. 1 decrease stitch. In the fifth sequence, first work to single crochet. The first one. The second one. 1 decrease stitch. In the sixth sequence, first work to single crochet. The first one. The second one. 1 decrease stitch. Now we will explain the method of creating single crocheted decreases. There are two types of single crocheted decreases. One is the invisible decrease. The other is the regular decrease. A single crochet decrease combines 2 stitches into one. This one is the invisible decrease. This one is the regular decrease. The V shape formed by the invisible decrease is vertical. It looks very similar to a single crochet. The V shape formed by the regular decrease is slanted. It is quite different from a regular single crochet. Because the invisible decrease and the regular single crochet look very similar, it is called the invisible decrease. We often use the invisible decrease when crocheting spherical fabrics. Here, we will first demonstrate the creation of an invisible decrease. The invisible decrease is made by inserting the crochet hook into the front loop of these 2 stitches. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of these 2 stitches. Insert hook through one front loop. Then insert hook through another front loop. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook below the working yarn. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Hook the working yarn with the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on the crochet hook. Rotate the crochet hook. A new loop is formed on the crochet hook. There are 2 loops remaining on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook in front of the working yarn. The hook head is facing towards you. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. This completes an invisible decrease. On the back of the invisible decrease, you can see the loops. They are the unworked back loops. We need to pay attention to the insertion point of the next stitch. This loop is the front loop used for creating a single crocheted decrease. The insertion point should be this V shape. Next, we will demonstrate the method for creating a regular decrease. Insert the crochet hook into the next stitch. There are now 3 loops on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook below the working yarn. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. This forms a new loop on the crochet hook. There are now 2 loops on the crochet hook. Insert the crochet hook into the next V shape. There are now 4 loops on the crochet hook. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. A new loop is formed. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook in front of the working yarn. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the crochet hook at once. This completes a regular decrease. A regular decrease is made into complete stitches. So the back is flat. Everyone can choose either the regular decrease or the invisible decrease according to the method that suits them best. 6 sequences are completed. The remaining 3 sequences are worked the same way as the previous 6 sequences. Everyone can complete the crochet on their own. 9 sequences are completed. This round has 27 V-shapes. Please check the stitch count. Finally, make 1 slip stitch. Round 13 is completed. Round 14 starts with 1 chain stitch. Then 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch from 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 9 times. Finish with a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. The first sequence starts with 1 single crochet. Attach the stitch marker. One decrease stitch. Here is what it looks like after crocheting 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch as a sequence. From the top view, 2 V-shapes are formed. Complete the remaining 8 sequences using the same method. The second sequence starts with 1 single crochet, 1 decrease stitch. The third sequence starts with 1 single crochet, 1 decrease stitch. Three sequences are completed. Complete the remaining 6 sequences on your own in the same way. 9 sequences are completed. Finally, make 1 slip stitch. Round 14 is completed. Next, cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail through. Tighten. The head of 1 kitten is completed.